Ay, qué bonito. Súper rico. Cafecito, cafecito. My dad got me this. We've been talking about coffee for a long time. And he got me this. And coincidentally, today I'm wearing this t-shirt. Yeah, because with this one it's gonna be amazing. I can do only a shot, espresso shot, and not like the whole huge cup of coffee. NH-Kitchen Espresso Maker. Add ground coffee, add hot water, unlock and push the piston. Back. Okay, I'm gonna read the instructions later. I'm gonna do a testing. Outlet head, spout, filter basket, piston, device, water tank. Cool, I'm gonna try different ones, but I'm okay with the espresso. It's the one that I miss the most, and it's gonna be delicious. I already cleaned it with the hot water and soap. And let's see. Remove the cap. Okay. Unscrew the outlet head from the device. Okay. Remove the filter basket. Yeah, this is the filter basket. Remove the water tank. This one. Yeah. Espresso cup is this one. Spout. This is the spout. Remove the scoop from the water tank. Fill the scoop with ground coffee. This is not the best coffee, but it's what we've got right now. Okay, 1 scoop. Place the filter basket on the top of the scoop, like that, right? Mm-hmm. Transfer the powder into the filter basket. Okay, put the filter basket on top of the device. Okay, screw tightly the outlet head into the device until it is firmly closed. Okay. Add boiling water into the water tank. Stop pouring before reaching the max sign. Do you see the max sign? Mm-hmm. Okay, max sign. Screw tightly the device onto the water tank until it is firmly closed. Okay. Avoid burning your self-handle with care. Unlock the piston from its closed position by rotating it to the left. Bring the NH-Kitchen Espresso Maker above the cup with the spout facing down and start pumping. Okay, I guess we are ready for this. Locked, unlocked. We have the cup. First 6 strokes will fill the filter basket of water. Continue pumping until no more coffee pours out or until reaching the preferred espresso. Oh my God! We have espresso with the foam, as we've been wanting it for so long. Oh my God. Cheers. Oh my God, it's so good. So much better than with the other mocha maker. Cafecito. Entonces hay que aplastarlo, dice mi papá, para que quede mejor. Ya le estamos cogiendo la vuelta. Ya tenemos el azuquita, la tacita. Y ahora lo giramos. ¡Eso! ¡Mira esa espumita! Este café que no es bueno, así sabe totalmente diferente. De verdad, ayer lo disfrutamos tanto. Ay, qué bonito. Mira eso. ¿Está rico? Súper rico. Gracias, Pipo. Muchas gracias, muchas gracias. Te quiero.